I hope everyone is keeping safe right now, because even though we are in hard times, but we have to do as our best to keep safe from the COVID-19 pandemic. This video is basically about an app review. This app will help you to download music onto your iPhone without paying for Apple subscription or Spotify subscription. So if you are interested, stay tuned. So what you need is to download an app. The app is called MELODISTA. Just search for the app on the Apple Store and download it. It's called MELODISTA. It's a very simple app and it's just 63 megabytes. To download the app, for downloading the app, you also need to download YouTube, because you're going to use YouTube to get the link for the music. After downloading the app, you head on to YouTube. Then you search for the song that you want to download. So I'm just going to download any song by Cardi B. So I'm just going to type Cardi B for any song by her. Cardi B. I'm just going to search anything by Cardi B. So we're having this song. It's called Cardi B Press official music video. So I'm just going to click on the three dots. Then I'm going to click share. Then I'll just copy the link. So I'll just tap on the first one, copy link, and the link is copied. After that, I'll just head on to Safari, then type in the website ytmp3.cc. It's already here, so you just tap on it. Wait for it to come. We're going to use this website to convert the video to music. So let's wait for it to load before we paste in our link. As here, you can see that by using our converter, you can easily convert YouTube videos into MP3 audio. I'm not sponsored by this website, so, and I wish I was sponsored. So let's just wait for it to completely load before I head on to it. So you just tap that part, then you paste the link, then you click on convert right there. This method doesn't require any payments like in other platforms like Apple Music and Spotify, so it's very easy to download. So you just click on the download, or you can put it in your Dropbox or anything. So you click on download. You should go back to the other place, so it will display a download button for us to download. Let's just wait. Let's see it. So you just download it. So let's just wait for it to download real quick. So after you have finished downloading the song, thanks to the new updates on the Files app on iPhone, it is very good to download files like some music files and some documents. So we'll just head straight to the Files app right here. Then we are going to go to iCloud Drive. Then we go to downloads. We were having the song right here. It's Cardi B Press video. So Cardi B Press official music video right here. So we can rename it, or let's just rename it right here. We can rename it. So let's just rename it. Rename it to Cardi B Press. Just Cardi B Press. Yes. Click on done. So after that, we head on straight to the app. The app is right here. It's MELODISTA right under the Netflix. So you just open the app. After opening the app, you click on the download, like the small download, cloud download button up there. just click on the right side, click on this. So we have import files. So we select where either from the files app, Dropbox, Google Drive, Camera Roll, Wi-Fi transfer, iTunes file transfer, or do import from other apps. So select files app, and we just have, so you will see it to be the first one right here. So just click it. So the song will automatically come right here. So next you go to Safari, then you search for Cardi B Press official album, album cover. Let me add the cover, album cover, Cardi B official, Cardi B Press official album cover. So we go to images. Let's wait for it to load before we download it. That's safe. So you can choose either one of them. So let's choose the first one. I think that will be the one. Let's choose the first one. When it's finished loading, just long press on the image there and click add to photos. So it will automatically save it to your camera roll. Then you head up straight to the app, then click on the music right here. Let's listen to the music. Bitches as soon as I drop. Click on the right to the next player. And the title or cover. Then you click on pick. You can add it right. More professionally. So you can change and you can even add the album name. Then you click on look at it right here. It has been saved. These are the simple steps to download music to your iPhone without paying for subscription on Apple Store or Spotify. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more hacks like this. Thank you for watching.